Are you looking for a healthy and delicious way to start your day? Look no further than this green smoothie recipe that's packed with vitamins, fiber, and flavor. To make this smoothie, start by washing a handful of spinach and kale. These leafy greens are packed with nutrients and will help give your body the boost it needs to start the day. Next, slice up a cucumber. Cucumbers are great for hydration and can help keep your skin looking healthy and glowing. Add a green apple for a touch of sweetness and an extra dose of fiber. Peel a ripe banana and add it to the mix. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium and will help keep your energy levels up throughout the day. Finally, add a splash of almond milk to the blender. Almond milk is low in calories and adds a creamy texture to the smoothie. Blend all of the ingredients together until smooth. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. This green smoothie is the perfect way to start your day off on the right foot. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this recipe a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes.